So here we are in our project. As you can see, I have our virtual environment activated, and I'll go ahead and run through the program a couple times so you can see how it works with a much smaller sample size for it. And as you can see here, I use a generate random points function, which is only called inside of this for loop where we are running our brute force closest point and divide and conquer. Go ahead and run this really quick. And it will output our empirical runtime info for both the brute force and the divide and conquer. Divide and conquer obviously showing much faster compile time, as well as our theoretical versus predicted for our brute force and our divide and conquer algorithms, which mostly seem to fit the line for our predicted runtimes. Some of the deviations and fluctuations are likely due to, I assume, the values filtered out from our runtime data. I use a interquartile range function from pandas to filter those out, just so you can see. Go ahead and run it again, and it's fairly consistent and usually fits along our theoretical runtime pretty closely. And here we are with our divide and conquers, empirical versus theoretical, brute force, comparison of the two. This does also output two tables containing the same data, where you can see these numbers grow exponentially for our brute force. In regards to the full number set that we ran, when taking a look at that, you can see the numbers tend to fit towards the theoretical much closer, with much less fluctuation. And that's everything. Thank you for watching.